A giant hand reached through the orphanage window, grabbed a girl, and immediately left. The giant weaved through the narrow streets. Although he was massive in size, he was extremely good at disguising himself. When encountering passers-by, he used a trumpet to block the streetlights, hiding in the darkness. When cars drove by, he covered his body with a cloak, pretending to be cargo. He nimbly crossed the highway, successfully escaping the city. The giant carried the girl across mountains and seas, entering into dark clouds and lightning. This was a place humans had never set foot in. The girl curiously poked her head out, and discovered the giant was sharpening a knife. Next to the girl was a window. She carefully approached the window, accidentally knocking something over, making a sound. The giant discovered the girl trying to escape. The girl fell into a frying pan. The girl was terrified at this moment. She begged the giant not to eat her. The giant told the girl he did not eat people. He had no intention of hurting the girl. It was only because when the giant was moving through the city, the awakened girl had seen him. He did not want his species to be exposed, so he required the girl to spend the rest of her life with him. He also warned the girl not to run away, as there were many people eating giants outside. The giant placed the girl in a barrel on top of a sailboat, telling the girl to go to sleep quickly. After the girl fell asleep, the giant grabbed a package and walked out of the room. He pulled down the switch in front of the waterfall. The wooden board on the opposite side lowered. He passed through the waterfall, hiding the cave behind the waterfall. Then he turned the wooden wheel. A secret chamber opened, containing bottles of different colors. The giant took out a red bottle. He lifted the mixed bottle above his head, shaking it to blend. At this moment, the sleeping girl suddenly woke up. She saw the giant was sleeping, so she untied the rope securing the boat, used the mast to push open the window, then escaped through the window. During her escape, she was discovered and caught by a giant. Hearing the girl's screams, Mark chose to ignore them, letting the giant lift the girl above his head. The girl fell into the giant's mouth. When the girl woke up again, she found herself still in Mark's home. It turned out Mark was a dream maker. To prevent the girl from running away, he had planted a red nightmare in her. The effect was very significant. Mark prepared to go catch dream sprites, but along the way there were many sleeping giants. Although Mark was very careful, he was still discovered. The other giants kept teasing Mark. At this time, dark clouds filled the sky. Suddenly, it started raining. The giants were actually all afraid of rain. Mark opened his toolbox, letting the girl climb inside. They climbed up the steep slope, walking from daytime into nighttime. Finally arriving at a dreamlike place, Mark jumped into the water, actually crossing into another world. The girl also sprinted and jumped into the water. Something magical happened. She arrived in an upside-down world. Mark told the girl,
"This be where all my dreams are beginning."
Mark brought the girl to the base of a large tree. His purpose was to capture dream sprites. Mark was amazed to discover a golden dream sprite, but Mark could not catch it no matter what. The golden sprite voluntarily came to the girl's hand. After being placed in the jar, the golden sprite revealed the girl's appearance. Mark showed the girl how to plant sprites into dreams. The two came to the city. Mark connected the trumpet to the jar, then blew air aimed at a boy. The blue sprite entered the body with his breath, and the boy received a beautiful dream.